Hello, I'm Aidah, and today we're going to learn how to make colorful echo in Alight motion. Prerequisites. First, import your moving character. I'll import a video of Baldi. Since we'll be working with the character silhouette, we'll need to remove the background. I'll do this using the chroma key effect from the matte mask key category. If you're importing a group, you can skip this step. Copy and color. Duplicate the character 3 times if you want the echo to have 3 colors. Don't touch the topmost layer, make the 3 duplicates underneath into different colors instead. Because I'm using a video, I'll add the solid color effect from the color and light category. But if your character animation is inside a group, you can just go to the color and fill and pick the solid color option. That will automatically fill the character with your chosen color. Do this for each copy, fill them all with the colors you want. Since mine's a video, I'll just paste the solid color effect onto the duplicate layers. Timing. Right now, the colorful silhouettes barely come into view. We want them to follow the character. To do that, take the topmost layer and move it 15 milliseconds or frames behind. Then move the layer under it 10 frames behind. And the layer under it to be delayed by 5 frames. Now the timings are evenly spaced and we finally have the colorful echo. Remember to select the layers and trim their ends so they match the character layer duration. If this pacing feels too slow, you can tighten it by reducing the delays. For example, I like using a 3-frame delay. It looks better. If you delay them too much, it'll end up looking like this. I actually got this tutorial idea from a commenter, so thank you. Please keep asking me how to make cool stuff because that's where I get ideas from. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.